Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 10th poem from unit number 2, You Start Dying Slowly. This poem written by Nobel Prize winner, Chilean poet Pablo Neruda. This poem gives us an important message that how we should live our life for happy future. So let's see the poem. 2.1 You start dying slowly. You start dying slowly means losing hope of a happy future. Okay. First stanza. If you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sound of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. The word appreciate means recognize the qualities of somebody. In this stanza, poet is saying, if we do not travel, if we do not read, if we do not listen the sound of life means sound of living things, sound of people. If we do not listen to those sounds, or if we do not try to understand the sounds of people, also if we do not appreciate ourselves, it means do not try to know the good qualities that lie within ourselves, then we start dying slowly. मराठीमध्ये आपण जर प्रवास केला नाही, म्हणजेच आपण जग पाहिले नाही, जर आपण वाचन केले नाही किंवा आपल्या आजूबाजूचे लोकांचे आवाज ऐकले नाहीत, समजून घेतले नाहीत, तर आपण हळूहळू संपून जाऊ, नष्ट होऊन जाऊ. जर स्वतःमधील गुणांची कदर केली नाही किंवा योग्यता ओळखली नाही, तर आपण हळूहळू नष्ट होऊ किंवा आनंदी भविष्याची आशा गमावून बसू. Now we will discuss about figures of speech in this poem. Here, the main figures of speech has used in this poem is anaphora. For example, if we do not travel, if we do not read, if we do not listen to the sound of life. These lines are example of figures of speech anaphora. Now see the definition. Repetition of a word or a phrase or a clause at the beginning of two or more successive sentences is called anaphora. Now see the third line of the stanza. If you do not listen to the sound of life. In this line, we find figures of speech metaphor, because poet directly compare the sound with life. Now see the last line of the stanza. You start dying slowly. This is an example of figures of speech repetition. This line repeated 4 times in this poem. Now next stanza. When you kill your self-esteem, when you do not let others help you, you start dying slowly. Self-esteem means a good opinion of your own character and ability. Or self-esteem means self-respect. When we kill our self-respect and when we do not give chance to others to help us, then we start dying slowly. आपण स्वतःची आत्मप्रतिष्ठा जपली नाही, दुसऱ्याला आपली मदत करायची संधीच दिली नाही, तर आपण हळूहळू नष्ट होत जाऊ, संपत जाऊ. Now the next stanza. If you become a slave of your habits, walking every day on the same path, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or you do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly. Now meaning, if we become a slave of our own habits. Slave means a person who has not freedom and forced to obey his owner. If we make owner to our own habits, and if we become a slave of those habits and walked on the same path or on the same roads, also if we do not change our routine, or if we do not wear different colors, or if we do not speak to strangers or to unknown people, then we start dying slowly. मराठीमध्ये अर्थ, जर आपण आपल्या सवयींचे गुलाम बनत राहिलो आणि रोजच्या एकाच वाटेने जात राहिलो, नवीन वाटा जर शोधल्याच नाही, आपला दिनक्रम जर बदलला नाही, जर आपण निरनिराळे रंग परिधान केले नाही आणि चौकटी बाहेर जाऊन विचार केला नाही किंवा अनोळखी लोकांशी आपण बोललोच नाही वा संवाद साधला नाही, तर आपण हळूहळू संपून जाऊ किंवा नष्ट होत जाऊ. द नेक्स्ट स्टांजा. If you avoid to feel passion and their turbulent emotions, those which make your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast, you start dying slowly. Now in this stanza there are some new words. Passion. Passion means strong feeling. Turbulent. Turbulent means unsteady or full of ups and downs. Glisten. Glisten means glitter or sparkle. In this stanza, poet aware us that if we do not have strong feelings, or if we avoid strong feelings and unsteady emotions which bring a sparkle to our eyes and make our heart beats fast, then also we start dying slowly. मराठी अर्थ, हृदयाची धडधड वाढवणाऱ्या आणि डोळ्यांमध्ये चमक आणणाऱ्या मनातील उत्कट भावना, त्यांच्या अस्थिर संवेदनांना आपण टाळत राहिलो तर आपण हळूहळू संपून जाऊ, नष्ट होत जाऊ. Now next stanza. If you do not change your life when you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, if you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in your lifetime to run away from sensible advice. Pablo Neruda. Now new words. Uncertain. Uncertain means doubtful or unknown. Sensible. Sensible means thoughtful or having good sense. If we are not happy with our job or love, and in this situation we are not changing our life, it means we start dying slowly. If we don't show courage for uncertain or unknown things, if we don't go after or follow dreams, or if we do not allow ourselves to ignore a sensible advice at least once in our lifetime, then also we start dying slowly. मराठी अर्थ, जर आपण आपल्या कामावर किंवा प्रेमावर खुश किंवा समाधानी नसाल आणि आपण तसं जीवन जगत राहिलो तर आपण हळूहळू संपून जाऊ. जर आपण जीवनामध्ये धोका पत्करण्याचे धाडस दाखवू शकलो नाही किंवा अनिश्चित गोष्टीसाठीचे स्वतःला आव्हान दिले नाही, जर आपण आपल्या स्वप्नांप्रमाणे बनण्याचा प्रयत्न केला नाही आणि जर आपण आयुष्यात किमान एकदा तरी स्वतःला समंजसपणाच्या सल्ल्यापासून किंवा उपदेशापासून दूर करू शकलो नाही तर आपण हळूहळू संपत जाऊ, नष्ट होत जाऊ. In this last stanza, see this line. If you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain. This line is an example of figures of speech antithesis. Here in this line, the word risk and the word safe are opposite words. Students, here we have completed this poem. If you like this video and if you want to see such videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.